Hello, my name is Volker from Germany. This is my first English video, so maybe you will hear it. English is not my native, my native language, my mother language. So I try to do my best that you understand me. I hope it works. So first of all, I bought a Supertenere again. I had 3 or 4 in the past, and I bought again one. And the first thing I do on this Supertenere is, after cleaning all these things, I remove a little thing that makes it more powerful in the lower gears and in the when you will speed up it very fast, so it helps. I hope you understand what I mean. Please be careful if the roads are wet or you are in a lower gear and you drive around a corner. So and I think not so much people know this little trick. It's very simple and very useful, because if you are when you would speed up very fast, maybe to make a wheelie or like this, this is the reason why I do this. So you can use this simple trick, and it's very easy. I hope it works for you. Okay, nothing more to tell. Just look the video and you will see it. And at this point you can see the hoses under the frame. I had to remove the carburetors anyway, because I also wanted to sonicate them with an ultrasonic cleaner, so it was no extra work. This little part between is a filter. Inside there is a metal mesh to keep out insects and dirt. If you pull out or pull off the hose that goes down, you will find a sleeve inside the hose. Yeah, I know. It's a little bit tricky because the hoses are glued on, so you must try it. At this point now you see it's open, and I took a photo from the inside, so you see this little alu sleeve, and yeah, you must pull it out. And important, you must do it twice, because you must do it in both sides. Here you see I only took a screw for wood, and yeah, you see it. And this sleeve narrows the hose. This is the reason, because the slider in the carburetor is opened more slowly, and when you remove it, it goes faster. Yes, and you must do it on the other side as well. And you see it, whenever I change something, I mark the parts or took photos to know where everything was. And so if you make a mistake, so you can change it back. Yeah, but no worry, it is very simple and you will feel the effect, really. And be careful, do not pierce your hand with a screwdriver. Okay, second one. And here you see the sleeve inside again. I'm taking a still picture here, so maybe it's easier to see it. Yes, and I made the video a week earlier in German language. Some wrote me in the comments that the sleeve was already removed with them, so maybe it's possible, especially with used bikes, that someone has already done it or removed it, so you can't find it. I put that hose on again later, but I put a few drops of super glue on it, just to be sure the hose would stay on it. Yeah, ready. And if you have, or when you have done this, so just put the other side back on the top of the carburetor and everything is okay. It's very narrow and dirty too. But I think it's very self-explaining. I think everyone can do this. So easy explained is, when you speed up very quickly, the carburetors open with a negative pressure. Inside are two membranes, they are very similar to condoms, and these parts open the slide very quickly with a negative pressure inside. But be careful, especially in the lower gears, and if the road is wet, be careful. I also take a few pics and I attached it here so you can see it. So good luck, and I would love comments if you were able to make it work for you, and yeah, have fun. So okay, that's it. I hope you understand everything. I know it's difficult to understand my English, but maybe it works for you. So, and it doesn't help when my wife stands behind the camera and laughs about me when I try to speak English. It doesn't help. So I had a lot of more clips like this, and maybe I translate it in English too. I convert a TT600 Yamaha TT600 from the normal start to a E-start engine, and this was a lot of work, and yeah, maybe you like the other videos too, and feel free to press the abo button and yeah, have fun.